Welcome to the SCiNiTO How To Series, your quick guide to using AI for smarter research. In this video, we'll learn how to view and explore a research article inside on SCiNiTO. When you click on a paper's title in your search results, you'll open the article details page. Here, you can see all key information, including the journal, authors, year, abstract, and other metadata. If the article is open access, you'll also see a PDF icon that allows you to access the full text directly. At the top, you can also find the Explore This with AI button. This feature lets you instantly analyze the paper, either as a quick overview or a deep analysis, giving you structured insights about its background, findings, and implications. At the bottom of the page, SCiNiTO also displays the article's citations, references, and related works, so you can easily expand your research and explore connected studies. That's how you explore an article and unlock deeper insights with SCiNiTO AI. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website and make every paper you read more meaningful.